Got some donuts from my favorite donut spot. This is probably the best apple fritter I found. Super crispy apple fritters just hit different. Powdered jelly filled. I love how they make their dough. The original glaze is so soft it got smushed. This is probably the best glazed donut I had. The apple fritter is so good I had to get two.